Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all are well. Students, do you understand all the points in previous video? We discussed about three agricultural products. Rubber have two main types: natural and artificial or synthetic rubber. Rubber is mainly used to make tires, belts, machinery in factories and mines. Natural rubber is usually considered better for most purposes than the synthetic or artificial variety. Now we will discuss in detail about last three products of this chapter. Cocoa, it was discovered in Mexico, and you can see here is a picture of cocoa seeds. And in Mexico, where cocoa was a drink of the nobles. Nobles means the rich people of those area. It became a very popular drink in Europe in the 17th century. Chocolate as a sweet, as we know it today, we did not know about chocolate until it was invented in 1847. Now come to the uses of cocoa. It is used as a drink, but more specially for making sweets and chocolates. And a kind of fat, cocoa butter, which is pressed out of the beans during manufacture, means preparation process of cocoa, is used in some cosmetics and medicines. Today, more cocoa goes into the production of chocolate and sweets than as a drink. Now, almost all cocoa is grown in West Africa and Southeast Asia. Cocoa production in Muslim countries of the world. Indonesia and Malaysia produce about 18% of the world's cocoa supply. Understood? Now come to the second last point, that is wheat with picture. It is the most important food crop for much of the world. It is produced in almost all countries outside the tropics. As you can see the picture of tropics. And students, why is it not produced in the tropics? Because it requires fairly dry and mild climate, means not too hot or not too cold, whereas tropics have heavy rainfall. Most countries have to import huge quantities of wheat, but Pakistan and Turkey are among the very few nations that can grow enough to feed the whole of their population and still have some left for export. However, these countries find it difficult to compete with nations such as the USA, which has fields measuring many hundreds of acres and gigantic machines, means huge and heavy machines for planting and harvesting. Here is the picture showing planting and harvesting process. Means these developed countries have better facilities to grow wheat. Muslim world produces nearly 17% of world's wheat. A wheat grain consists of an inner part which we eat and two outer husks, means chilka, and chaff, which means in Urdu turi, which protect the seeds. And this husks and chaff used for animal fodder and making of mud houses in villages. Do you visit any village and saw this kind of houses? So here is the picture of mud houses making with chaff and husks. Students, do you understand all the points? Hope you understand these points. Let's discuss second last point, which is rice. Rice is the equivalent of wheat because both have same kind of seed which are protected by the outer covering. Wheat requires a fairly dry climate, but rice requires a great deal of water and heat. China and India are the largest growers of rice, producing about 2/3 of the world's supply. Rice production in Muslim countries of the world, Indonesia and Bangladesh, grow over 18% of the total world supply of rice. Students, other significant exports of agricultural products by the Muslim countries are given on the textbook page number 16. Kindly read this column on that page. Now, we have completed the chapter Agricultural Products of the Muslim World. Students, kindly read the chapter thoroughly for better understanding and to complete your home assignment. Let's come to homework. Here is a worksheet related to agricultural products of Muslim world. You can do this worksheet easily on your copies after reading and watching videos related to this topic. And in worksheet, you have to complete these statements. A is dash is the world's leading producer of palm oil. In textbook page number 16, kindly read the info paragraph, and after reading you will be able to complete this statement. B is dash is the tropical equivalent of wheat. Which product is equivalent of wheat? C is the Aztecs called cocoa dash. This is given on page number 14. You can find easily. D is coffee was discovered in the dash and dash region. You have to write area in which coffee was discovered. E dash is the main producer of coffee in the Muslim world. Which Muslim country is the largest producer of coffee? F is Muslim countries produce dash of the world's tea. You will write here percentage. G the rubber plant was originally found only in the dash rain forest. H the main Muslim countries producing rubber are dash and dash. I Muslim countries produce dash percent of the world's cotton. J dash produces 3.5% of the world's sugar. Which country produce 3.5% world sugar? K dash produces high quality wool. L dash is the world's biggest producer of cotton. M dash is the world's largest producer of sugar cane. N bagasse is the byproduct of dash. Means how bagasse is produced. O. The word coffee comes from the Arabic word which means dash. Students, mostly statements are discussed in detail in these videos, and I also suggested page number for some statements. You can easily attempt this worksheet on your copy with these suggestions. So students, remember me in your prayers in this blessed month, and thank you and Allah Hafiz.